Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the headset and environment. Charge it to at least half or plug into USB to ensure stable power. Once charged, power off the BlackShark V2 Pro, then press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds to initiate a deep power cycle. Make sure the wireless USB dongle is unplugged and the Razer Synapse software is closed on your PC. This prevents software conflicts. Doing these steps clears temporary states and primes the headset for its factory reset procedure. Now perform the actual factory reset by holding the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 12 seconds. This combination forces the headset to revert settings. Once done, watch the LED or listen for a voice prompt. Razer devices typically show a distinct flash pattern or spoken confirmation when reset completes. After you see that confirmation, wait a few seconds, then reconnect the wireless dongle. Make sure you pair only when the headset reports it is ready to accept new connections. Finish by repairing and verifying functionality. Plug the USB dongle back in, power the headset on, and press the headset pairing button if required to re-establish the connection. Once paired, open Razer Synapse to confirm microphone input, equalizer presets, and that firmware is current. Updates often resolve lingering issues. If pairing fails or settings don't apply, rerun the factory reset once more, and then perform a firmware update through Synapse. This combination fixes most stubborn connectivity or profile problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.